Good afternoon, this is McKayla Tennyson with grain commentary for the market week ending May 29th. This week, corn futures finished up 9 cents, soybean futures finished up 8 cents, and wheat futures finished up 16 cents. Corn closed higher this week as the market was driven by short covering and month-end positioning. Weekly ethanol production increased week on week, as expected, but we are still behind. We are slowly closing the gap from where we were prior to COVID-19. The crop progress report came out on Tuesday afternoon and determined that corn planting is 88% complete compared to the 5-year average of 82%. Corn emergence was at 64% compared to the 5-year average of 58%. The good to excellent rating for corn was at 70% in the first reading of the year. Corn export sales were weak this week and missed expectations. A big cancellation to unknown destinations brought the total down. Early in the week, soybeans traded higher on planting delays from recent rain events with more rain to come. Gains were limited from technical selling and uncertainty of the sale of beans to China. Soybean sales were okay this week and aligned with expectations. China was the biggest buyer this week at 192,000 tons. China has been buying more tonnage from South America than they have been buying from the U.S., which has everyone wondering about the Phase 1. The crop progress report this week had soybean planting at 65% complete compared to the 5-year average of 55% complete. Soybean emergence was at 35% compared to the 5-year average of 27%. Wheat traded higher this week as funds for both corn and wheat were actively covering short positions. Wheat also was drawing strength from a weaker U.S. dollar and additional strength from a sharp cut to wheat in Europe, which will make it the lowest total since 2016. Winter wheat heading was at 68% compared to the 5-year average of 72%. Winter wheat good to excellent ratings improved by 2%, putting it to 54%. Wheat sales this week were very good for new crop. Thank you for listening to this week's market update and have a great weekend.